is the room at Stella Nova. Oh, did y'all see that? The lights came on as we came in. Hello there. Nice to see you. So you walk in, we've got an adjoining room. So that's right there to the left. We got a mirror. Hello there again. Good to see you. We've got the sink out here with everything. We got toilet, shower. Let's turn on these lights. Ooh, nice. There we go. That is the one by the sink. We got this bad boy. The other one's also in the sink. Let's see what we've got. Right over here, another light switch. That's for the whole bathroom. I am not sure. The TV may have turned on when we walked in. I love it. I love it. Welcome, Clark Party. And then we have, look at this, 2 queen beds, the cool space theme. And then out here, got the standard view. But if you look hard enough, got a little bit of a view of the pool, but really just a standard view of the room. So it was very cool. There are definitely some sensors in here because as we came in, the lights definitely turned on. I'm gonna sit here real quick and just tell you, so this is one of the middle tier resorts. It is not the low level, value level type resort for Universal. They do have it marked as a mid-tier resort, and for good reason. I mean, it's one, very conveniently located, right across within walking distance to Epic Universe. You've also got a grab and go market. You've got a pool bar. You've got an indoor bar. You've got an indoor restaurant. You've got a pool restaurant, and then you've got the market. So for all of those reasons, I totally get why this would be considered a mid-tier resort, because you've got a lot of dining options. However, if you're coming from Disney, as we spend most of our time, and you're talking about a mid-level resort, the rooms are not comparable. The rooms are the equivalent of a value at Disney. And while we have not stayed at any of the entry-level resorts at Universal, I cannot imagine the rooms are smaller at those. They could certainly be bigger. They are very tight. I mean, they are the equivalent of an all-star type room. If you're not a Disney resort person, then I would say, you're at a Hampton Inn, Holiday Inn Express, where you've got your 2 beds, you've got your sink area, and then you've got your toilet, shower, or shower tub combo. So the rooms, while here at Stella Nova, still very clean, very nice, because the resort just opened, they can be very tight, especially our family of 6. We've got a pack and play. They do not have cribs here. They do not have rollaway cribs. It's only pack and plays. So while they've got that here, you add that in between the 2 queen beds. There's no under the bed storage, but they do have under the cabinet storage, under the bench seating, where you can store some luggage, you can store your shoes, store your souvenirs. So they've got extra place, extra storage spots that are available. But it gets tight. It gets very tight. And even if you were a family of 4, it's going to get very tight. We considered having my in-laws stay in one of the 2 rooms, and there would have been 8 of us sharing 2 rooms. Would have been really tight. I'm glad we decided against that. But even the 6 of us, having that adjoining door, having the 2 rooms, it is tight, and that's all you can say about that. Lucky for us, we're not spending a ton of time in the room, but we have spent a little bit of time in the room. But the kids are still little. Kids don't care as much.
I just want you to be aware there's not a lot of room. There's not a lot of room. So if you got older kids or you're coming with, 3 adults, oh, it's going to be tight. You just got to know that going in. It's okay. It's a very nice resort. The room is just very tight. The room is much more on a lower tier resort level, where the resort itself, very, very nice. Very, very nice. So anyway, that's a quick review